Alright, Red Barn Builds 99, back at you again. Guess what we got? It's back. It's the Subaru 2001 Wrx. It's back. Look at that plaid Rom seats with the Momo steering wheel. So, as you can see, I have the front bumper off, I have the front lip off, the front wide body off, and I just took the front bash bar off because, as you can see, this thing is gone. Definitely wanted to replace that for him, because that's not safe anymore. That is no longer a bash bar, that is a rust bar. But besides that, we've got big job for this thing. So right now I'm just going to be prepping the front bumper and the passenger side fender for paint. When he had the paint corrected, my buddy took his micron reader, and basically the front bumper and passenger fender had little to no clear on it. So they need to get re-cleared, which I'm going to be doing. But that is just one part of this job. The big and fun and exciting part that's going to be happening is that engine is coming out of the car. And the reason being is it needs a reseal. So like spark plugs, valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, and then whatever else, obviously. But there is not just the engine. I'm going to be doing the front axles, rear axles, front hubs, the whole exhaust, front and rear sway bar, end links, sway bars, and sway bar mounts, new intercooler, oh boy, yeah, a whole bunch of stuff, new intake, a whole lot, new timing belt, water pump kit, and whatever else. There's going to be a lot happening with this thing in a short amount of time. So stay tuned. Turn on that bell notification, because I'm going to be pumping these videos out with this thing for you guys. Alrighty, let's get to it.
We about to turn it on.
Alrighty, so back, the Subaru bug eye is out, the bumper is set up for the most part. I started sanding these little pieces that go right here on the bumper, between the bumper and the grill and whatnot. I'm just hitting them with some 180 grit just to get the rough, so there's some really rough clear coat on these, some 180, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit them with some 600. And then I'm just going to spray, once I get to the painting, I'm going to just spray them with some blue, because there's a couple spots that went through the base. What I'm going to be doing is sanding the bumper, probably with 180 in some spots, and then just to get some like really rough parts of the clear coat, sand it down, and then some 600 just to really smooth it out. And then I'm gonna set up, and then I'm gonna spray. Alrighty, let's get to it.
About to turn it on.
Alrighty. So I've got the base coat finished, the blue's all down, and now I'm going to start clearing the front bumper and these little parts, these little pieces.
It's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us.
Alrighty, so clear coat's on, clear coat's done on these little pieces and the front bumper. Now what I'm about to do is I'm going to move these into the office so they're safe, and then I'm going to pull the car in and start tearing it apart. Let's get to that.
Dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.